BitQuick is an online platform designed for those who want to buy and sell Bitcoin with ease. Upon visiting the website, you'll notice a clean interface designed to simplify the trading process for both beginners and experienced users. One of the most notable features of BitQuick is its peer-to-peer system, which allows users to purchase Bitcoin directly from sellers. This eliminates the need for traditional exchange processes and provides an added layer of privacy for users. The platform allows payment through cash deposits, bank transfers, and even certain mobile payment methods, offering a variety of payment options to suit your needs. When making a purchase, the seller has a set amount of time to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin is released to the buyer's wallet, ensuring a secure transfer of funds. The speed of transactions is one of BitQuick's standout features, with many users reporting fast processing times compared to other exchanges. Whether you're buying small amounts or making larger investments, the platform's simplicity makes the entire process straightforward. In addition to its ease of use, BitQuick prioritizes security. The site includes multi-step verification processes to ensure that both buyers and sellers are legitimate, minimizing the risks of fraud. You can also track your transaction status in real time, keeping you updated on every step. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For those new to crypto trading or just looking for an alternative to traditional exchanges, BitQuick is a great option. The platform's peer-to-peer model ensures fast and secure transactions, making Bitcoin trading accessible to everyone. It's perfect for those who prefer direct transactions without the complexities of centralized exchanges. Plus, its low fees and quick turnaround times make it a top choice for many. If you're looking for a reliable platform for buying Bitcoin, BitQuick is worth considering. The website offers an intuitive design, a variety of payment methods, and robust security features that give users confidence in their transactions. So if you're ready to jump into the world of Bitcoin trading, BitQuick might just be the ideal platform for you. Make sure to explore all the features it has to offer and start trading today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth crypto reviews and tutorials.